Welcome to Finding Balance, Mountain Pose Variations. In this video, we will be introducing you to the various ways you can practice mountain pose to enhance your balance and focus. We will go in depth into the beautiful variation known as tree pose, providing you with detailed instructions on how to perform it correctly. So, let's dive in and explore the art of finding balance through mountain pose variations. Point 1 of the most elegant variations of mountain pose is tree pose. Tree pose derives its name from the graceful and sturdy nature of a tree. It requires the practitioner to find their balance on one leg while grounding through the other foot, much like the roots of a tree firmly planted in the earth. Let's now learn how to perform tree pose step by step. Step-by-step guide to performing tree pose. 1. Begin by standing tall in mountain pose, with your feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. 2. Shift your weight onto your left foot while keeping a slight bend in your knee. 3. Gradually lift your right foot off the ground, bringing the sole of your foot to rest on either the calf or inner thigh of your left leg. Avoid placing your foot on the knee joint to prevent strain. 4. Find your balance and bring your hands together in front of your heart in prayer position or extend them overhead like branches. 5. Maintain a steady gaze on a fixed point to enhance your focus and stability. 6. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute. 7. Slowly release the pose and repeat on the other side. Practicing tree pose offers a multitude of benefits. Let's explore them. 1. Improves balance. Tree pose strengthens the muscles in your feet, ankles, and legs, thus enhancing your overall balance. 2. Boosts concentration. The focus required to maintain balance in tree pose enhances concentration and mental clarity. 3. Increases core strength. The engagement of your core muscles while performing tree pose helps strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles. 4. Enhances joint mobility. Tree pose gently stretches the hips, groin, and thighs, increasing joint mobility and flexibility. 5. Calms the mind. The meditative aspect of tree pose helps to relax the mind and relieve stress and anxiety. Apart from tree pose, there are several other variations of mountain pose that offer unique benefits. 1. Extended mountain pose. This variation involves stretching the arms overhead, lengthening the spine, and promoting good posture. 2. Dancing mountain pose. By swaying the upper body from side to side while maintaining balance, this variation improves spinal mobility and energizes the body.
3. Warrior Eye pose. This variation adds a lunging motion to mountain pose, strengthening the legs, opening the hips, and improving focus and stability. Congratulations! You have now learned various ways to find balance through mountain pose variations, with a special emphasis on tree pose. Remember to practice regularly and gradually explore different variations to deepen your yoga practice. By cultivating balance and focus through these poses, you'll be on your way to finding inner harmony and peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Namaste.